AI learns super fast these days. Think about learning a new game. AI can learn it super quick. Sometimes it only takes a few hours. People can take many years. This fast learning really shows how powerful AI is. So, why can AI learn so fast? Well, it's because it uses really strong computers. These computers can go through tons of information, and they do it super fast. And AI doesn't need to rest. It can learn all day and all night. But when AI learns this fast, does it really understand? That's a really big question to think about, like, does it really know what it's doing? Or does it just know it's to do it? We need to really think about this. This helps us understand what AI can do and what it can't. Hey everyone, welcome to this little game called Which Decision Did AI Make? Let's see if you can tell the difference between how humans think and how AI thinks. So, here's how the game works. We'll show you a situation, and you have to guess if a human made the decision or if AI did. First situation, AlphaGo beat a human champion in the game of Go. AlphaGo learned its moves through something called reinforcement learning. It played thousands of games and learned the best moves from its experience. Was this decision made with quick understanding or by AI's calculations? Think about it. Here, AI uses reinforcement learning. It learns from its experiences and makes the best decision. Quick, make your guess. Gap 3S, second situation. An investment advisor has to suggest the best place to invest money. What are the choices? Stocks, bonds, or putting money into property? Was this decision made because of years of market experience or after looking at a lot of data? What do you think? Here, AI uses supervised learning. It's given data that's already labeled, and it looks at that to make a decision. Gap 3S, third situation. A chef is making a brand new recipe. They have some choices: mixing Italian and Japanese food to make something new, fusion, an old traditional dish, or something totally new made only with vegetables, vegan innovation. Is this from their own thinking and ability to make something new, creativity, or by looking at old things, pattern recognition? Decide now. Here, AI uses unsupervised learning. It finds patterns in data without labels and comes up with new ideas. Gap 3S. So, how did it go? How many answers did you get right? Make sure to write your answers in the comments below, and let's see how well you understood the difference between how humans think and how AI thinks. Stay with us because we'll explore more of this interesting world of how AI and humans learn. Gap 3S. But here's something to think about. Do you think AI could ever have that human-like gut feeling, intuition? Let us know in the comments below. Gap 3S. Humans learn from their feelings and experiences. Just like a kid learns to get up after falling down, we learn from our mistakes. AI, on the other hand, learns from lots of data and numbers. It looks at a whole bunch of information to find patterns. But can AI ever really understand human feelings and that gut instinct? Some experts think it might be possible, but others say that's something AI just can't do. Your thoughts can help us understand this even better. So, what do you think? Let's talk about it in the comments. Gap 2S. Are you ready to see what's next in the world of AI? In our next video, we'll talk about what could happen in the future and some amazing new things that are just around the corner. We'll see how AI can totally change healthcare, make art, and even help with space travel. Gap 3S. Imagine if AI could find out if you're sick even faster than a doctor, or make music that really touches your heart. We'll also talk about what's right and wrong about it, and what dangers there might be. Will AI be able to make things even better than humans? Will it ever truly understand our feelings? Gap 2S. Join us for this eye-opening journey into the future of artificial intelligence. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss this fun video. Gap 3S. Get ready to be amazed. AI mostly learns from a lot of data. It needs a lot of examples. To learn what a bird looks like, the AI looks at tons of pictures of birds. We're talking thousands or even millions of pictures. This data is kind of like its teacher. If there isn't enough data, the AI has a hard time learning. Data is the base for all its learning. Algorithms are like special instructions for the AI. They tell the AI how to use all that data. They help the AI find patterns in the data. Machine learning is a really important idea in all of this. It's what lets the AI learn all by itself. One way AI learns is called supervised learning. In this kind of learning, the data already has labels, like name tags on things. So, the AI learns to match the new stuff it sees with the correct labels it was shown before. Then there's another way, called unsupervised learning. And that's where the AI tries to find hidden patterns in the data all by itself, without any labels. So smash that like button and tell me in the comments, Do you think AI will ever truly learn like humans? Human learning is quite different. We don't always need a lot of data. A small child might see a dog. They often recognize other dogs. We learn well from a few examples. This way of learning works really well. AI often needs a lot of examples. Humans use their common sense. We understand the whole world. We know how most things work. AI can struggle with new things. If they are not in its training data, it can make very strange mistakes. Programming common sense is hard. We also learn from our emotions. Emotions often help us learn. Learning together is also important. Humans are naturally creative and have a good feel for things, and that's hard for AI. Scientists want to help AI learn things much better. They want AI to learn more like the way people do. So now they're trying out some new ways to do this. One really big idea is to teach AI using less information. This is something called one-shot learning, or sometimes few-shot learning. Now this is a really tough thing to do. It means we need a whole new kind of AI. They also want AI to really get what things mean, you know? Kind of like having common sense, just like people do. This would make AI a lot safer for everyone. And it would also help AI work a lot better and faster. Maybe the AI of the future could even learn from feelings, or at least be able to understand feelings. So, the big question is, can AI ever learn like humans do? You know, with real understanding and actual feelings? That's still the biggest question out there. Nobody knows the answer for sure yet, but whatever happens will decide how we use AI and how AI will change our world. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that bell button.